Welcome to COD King. With our partial payment feature, let customers pay a little now and the rest on delivery. Let's explore how you can set this up on your Shopify store using the COD King Shopify app. First, please search for COD King in the search bar of your app store. If you haven't already installed the app, this is the step to follow. Once you find the COD King app, select it. After you are on the app page, click on Install to begin the installation process. To continue the installation process, please click Install again. After the installation is completed, you will be prompted to select one of the available plans to begin using the app. Once you have selected your plan, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, let's proceed with enabling the partial payment feature in your Shopify store. Start by navigating to the Features section in your Shopify admin panel. Once there, click on Manage in front of the partial payment feature. On the partial payment settings page, your next step is to click on Open Theme Editor. This step is crucial as it enables the COD King extension within your theme. On the theme page, ensure the COD King extension is enabled. Once confirmed, click Save to apply the changes. The settings are now saved and we can proceed to the next step. Now that we're back on the partial payment setup page, you can see that the first step has been completed. Let's proceed to the next step. In this step, we need to check the box labeled Activate Partial Payment. This will enable the partial payment feature for your store. In the next step, we need to set up payment rules to process orders. It's important to create at least two rules, one for full payment and another for partial payment. Moving forward, let's click on Add Payment Rule. To configure the full payment rule, start by selecting Amount Type. From the available options, choose Enable Full Payment. If you wish, you can also edit the rule name. Once everything is set, remember to save the rule. Now, let's add a rule for partial payment by clicking on Add Payment Rule again. For this rule, you have the option to choose between a percentage or a fixed value for collecting partial payments. I will select a fixed value and set the amount to 100. I'll name this rule Pay 100 Now and Rest on Delivery. If you want this rule to apply only to a specific range, enter the minimum and maximum values here. Once these details are in place, we can save the settings. Finally, to complete the setup process, make sure to save these changes. Now, let's see how the partial payment feature looks in your store. We've just enabled it, so let's select any product and click on Buy Now. Here you'll see the payment options we've set up. You can choose to make the full payment or pay a partial amount of 100. Let's proceed with the partial payment option. As you can see, an initial payment of 100 has been added to your cart. The total amount is 750 with 100 due now and the remaining 650 to be paid upon delivery. Partial payments help reduce fake orders and RTOs cases by ensuring customer commitment through an upfront payment, thus filtering out non-serious buyers. Now, I just need to fill in the shipping details and complete the partial payment order. With COD King, reduce RTO, boost sales, and enhance your Shopify store's performance. Install now to increase conversions and build customer trust.